Hello everyone, welcome to CodeSpeaks. In this video, we'll see how to create tables in databases. To, to create databases or to create tables in our databases, first of all, we have to perform all the activities in MySQL Workbench. Just open MySQL Workbench. Then we all know that in previous video, we have seen how to create databases in MySQL Workbench server. Now we will perform same activities in this video as well, so that it can be easily understand and know that particularly that how to create a table in a particular location or particular in a particular databases. Now let's start with creating that new databases. To create a new databases, we have to create database, and we have to give the database name. So I'm in this database, I'm giving my database name as CodeSpeaks. And use semicolon and select the entire thing and just run the query. Here we will get that the create database CodeSpeaks have been successfully executed. So the command have been executed. Now the point is, we have actually created in previous video, we have created one database and now we are creating another database over here. Now the question is, we have how many databases have been present in our local systems, right? Then only after knowing that we are able to perform table operations, right? To know that how many databases are present in our local MySQL local server, we have another query like show databases semicolon and select the entire query and just run the query. Now we are able to see that these many databases have been present in our local systems. Now the question is that it differs from server to server and person to person, right? My server databases are different from your server databases. No worries. Now we have created CodeSpeaks. Now the databases have been present here, right? Then the point is that now we have to create the tables. The point is that where we have to create the table, at what databases we have to create the table, right? Now we have another query like use, which means use particular databases, right? I'm using particular databases of CodeSpeaks. Now select the query and run the query. Now we are into the CodeSpeak databases. Here the 3 points are, we have already created the databases of CodeSpeaks and we know that how many databases are present in our local systems. Now we are using database of CodeSpeaks, right? Now we should create tables, or we have to perform all the activities related to data to a particular databases, which includes databases of CodeSpeaks. Now we should create tables in CodeSpeaks. To create tables in CodeSpeaks, we have another query like create table, and we have to give table name. I am giving table name as code underscore speaks underscore details semicolon. Here I am performing like create table and table name as CodeSpeaks details, which means details of CodeSpeaks. This is, I have given CodeSpeak details, which means that it is easy to understand for everything. Now we are creating CodeSpeak table here and we are giving the values of like first name and we have to give comma over here, so that we are separating the values. Then we are giving second name, no, we will give last name, right? Last name, then last name, then email id, then phone number. This is how we are creating tables, right? We are trying to create tables in a row wise operations, right? For example, you want to segregate, or you want to give the values that the first name should not increase the value of, or beyond the 30 values or 20 letters, right? We can also do that by giving var char over here, varchar, which means variable character. Name is in, we all know that the variables are stored in variable character or integer format, right? Sorry, in a string format, right? So we are giving varchar and giving the value of 20, which means the first name should not increase the value more than 20 letters. This is the meaning of varchar 20, and we have to applicable for all the values over here. And you want to give that last name should not increase up to 10 letters. In the same way, which is applicable for email ID as well. You are willing to, we should not increase the email ID letters more than 50 characters. This is how we can create first name, last name, email ID. When it comes to phone number, so phone numbers have been stored in, so phone numbers are values are stored in values or integer format. To perform integer activities in particular databases, we have another command like integer of 10, so that the phone number value should not increases more than 10 values. The user should not give more than 10 values, right? This is the meaning of integer, right? In this way we can create the table over here, then select the entire thing, just run the query. Now we have seen that the query have been successfully. Now we are able to see the tables, right? Now we have to perform select operation, select from table name, CodeSpeak details, right? Select star from CodeSpeak details, just semicolon, just select the entire thing and run the program. Now we have seen that we have then the table have been created, like we have created first name, right? First name, last name, email ID, and phone number. In this way we can able to create a particular table in a particular databases. I hope everyone got the point. Let's see how to insert values into the particular table location in next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.